Is anybody there?
Dear Diary, 30th of January 2001. New school, new environment, and it was my first day in the class. It was so strange that everyone was talking about this weird rumor of having ghosts in this campus.
Hey. What? Have you heard about the rumor?
What do you mean?
They say they got a ghost here.
You mean here?
Yeah.
Have you seen one?
No. So,
It doesn't make any sense.
well, you know.
You may have heard some rumours, and it's probably because we have some dungeons here. So in the past, some unpleasant things have happened, but if you stay away from the dungeons, stay in the classrooms only, you'll be safe. Oh, one more thing, most important thing I forgot is there are some classrooms under construction. Do not enter those. Do not enter them and you'll be fine.
I am an atheist. I don't believe in ghosts. I will go and find out what really is in the dungeon and what really is going on in this campus.
Hello? Chắc sắp quá. Ghost. Bunch of bullshit.
They say they got a ghost here.
You may have heard some rumours. Classrooms under construction. Do not enter. Stay in the classrooms only, you'll be safe.
Who is it? Who is it?
mental hospital.
We can't let the students know the truth. We can't let them in there with them.
We shut the place down when we lose our jobs.